We are launching our first 5G consumer entertainment program together with our partners Quake Capital and RTL Media Group to show the power of 5G and low latency computing for media and gaming. We have selected rockstar startups from across the globe for our first virtual program. Later on this year, we will meet them in person here in Bonn for onboarding and testing on our live 5G infrastructure.
We are creating the next generation of mobile gaming. Pokémon Go meets Fortnite. We merge two multi-billion-dollar gaming concepts to create a new generation of mobile games that combine active gameplay with real-life social interaction thanks to mobile augmented reality.
For more information and the announcement of the demo day, check out whoprom.com or visit our social media channels.